Okay, so this one is milk tea. This one is mango. Sweet ice cream wrapped in sweet mochi. This one is matcha green tea. This one is strawberry. And this one is cookies and cream. So, yeah. Super premium and sweet. Okay. Okay, got them all out with the flashlight on because you guys can't really see what's in here. So this one is milk tea. This one is called Al Alfonso mango, and this one is matcha green tea. This one is strawberry, and this one is cookies and cream. So it looks like when it's out of the boxes and stuff. The Bubbies, Mochi boxes and stuff. That's the brand of them. So yeah, Bubbies Mochi ice cream, Mukbang and stuff. So yeah. So I'm gonna put this on the plate and then do my outro. That's what they look like on the plate. Wow. And stuff. Wow. And good thing with these ice creams is you get to eat it with your bare hands instead of using a spoon or a fork to eat the ice cream. So for these, you can just eat at your hands like just like that. So get to eat it with your bare hands and stuff, which is pretty cool to be honest. Okay, let's get to the intro. Okay, what's up, you guys? It's your boy, it's your brother boy, Jrizzlelistic here, and this video is gonna be about Mochi ice cream. Yeah, so like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on notifications. And this is gonna be a quick intro because these melt. So I'm gonna go for this one first. Pretty good and stuff. And the matcha green tea one. I'm gonna go for the strawberry one next. Oh, look how sticky they are. Oh, they're so sticky, which I love, by the way. This is actually my first dessert video on my channel, you guys. This is my first dessert video on my channel. So, mochi ice cream is dessert. Mochi ice cream. I'm gonna bite into one and I'm gonna show you what its inside looks like. Just like that. Oh. Some ice cream part dripped, but still edible. These are so fun to eat though. Funner than normal ice cream. Another matcha green tea one. It tastes like you're eating like, I don't know how to explain this, but it tastes like you're eating like, you know, chamomile tea. It tastes like you're eating chamomile, which is kind of like interesting in the way how these taste like, but yeah, so somehow this tastes like chamomile. This is Mochi ice cream. Mukbang with Jrizzlelistic. First time eating mochi ice cream. Watch how it stretches, look. So stretchy too, and sticky. Oh, this one is softer now. This one's not too cold now because it's melting a little bit. My hands are too warm right now. My hands are too warm. Mango. Mango, my favorite one. First time eating mochi ice cream on my channel. I'm gonna save this one. I'm gonna save this for my last bite because it's so strawberry and so creamy and stuff. I'm saving that for my last bite. Last bite. All gone, all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me eating mochi ice cream for the first time. So, first time eating mochi ice cream, you get to eat it with your hand, like, get to bite it with, just like normal mochi is, so. You know what mochi is, it's like rice cake form, but more sweet, so. I believe it has rice, has rice in it. It has rice flour in it, so like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on notifications, and I hope you guys enjoyed this, my first dessert video on my channel, so, and yeah, so like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on notifications. I said that already, alright. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Mochi ice cream for the first time.